wish I could talk, but I really got to get these done for the guys at Parkway Toyota. They're really going to need them.
Toyota quality always saves you money. Right now, a lot of money.
Check out this black '06 Toyota Matrix, equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission with 42,132 miles. Enjoy an exceptional 34 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, power steering, power brakes, power door locks, power windows, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this '06 Toyota Matrix. See us at Parkway Toyota today.
Got to get to Parkway Toyota, because right now, they have the sharpest pencils in town.
Parkway Toyota just keeps saving you money and time. Parkway Toyota, minutes from the GW in Englewood Cliffs and at parkwaytoyota.com.